Okay, so I thought I'd make a little video on how to clean the oil squirters on the Porsche 911 SC crankcase. So this is the right side of the case, and this side is the left side. And they're different beasts in the way that they're cleaned, because on this is the left side. If you're looking at the engine from the rear of their car, not sure if you can see down here, there's a little oil hole down there, and there's not one there, but on this one should be one down there, and then not on here, but another one on there. Okay, and the oil squirters, try and do this one-handed. Excuse the bad footage, bad camera work. I'll try and turn it right over so you can see it. Sorry. Okay, so they're there, there, and there. Now I've just spent about an hour or so trying to work this out according to Wayne's book that everyone uses. Didn't really help me that much. Also read some Pelican Parts forums. Also didn't help me much. I looked up on YouTube. Not much on there either. Okay, so for these ones it's pretty simple. What I did was I got my air compressor air nozzle and put this little fitting on the end that I got from an oil pump kit, because it's all I could find that would work. I didn't have the rubber fitting that people recommend. So basically on this side it's pretty easy. You spray your WD-40 or your carb cleaner or brake cleaner into there, press this hard up against there, and then you'll see the fluid squirt out down the bottom. That's if it's working okay. So I'll try and show you how to do this with one hand. So this is air intake cleaner, which I'm pretty sure is similar to carb cleaner, by the smell anyway. Spray it in there. Wear goggles while you're doing this, because you'll probably get some blowback into your face, and nobody likes blowback in their face, do they? So watch down the bottom. Hopefully I'm pressing hard enough with one hand, and I don't think you can really see that there. What I might try is with the WD-40. It's a bit more visual. Fill it up. Stick the nozzle in. And press hard. You can see down there, hopefully, that it blew straight out. So that's working, and I've done all these. Just doing this as an example. These ones are a bit more difficult. So this is the right side of the case, and here's my Sharpie pen that I've got, and I've put a, as you can see, the end of a glove on there, because down, I don't think you can see down here, but you'll be able to see on your case, there's actually, see that hole there? So what you want to do is block that off from the inside, and then you blow down this hole, every second hole, so this one, and this one, and it will block the air from travelling through the rest of the case, and hopefully come out your oil squirter. So I put this in. It doesn't fit the best. There's probably many better things you can do. I see people have used petrol fuel line hose that probably fits a lot better. This doesn't fit that great, but it's plastic. It's wrapped in rubber. Won't damage the case, hopefully. Just connect up my spray again. Okay. I know it's a terrible video and you're getting sick from watching it, but hopefully you get the idea. So put that in there, and now I'll spray so you can see that go through. And that's it. So you want to do that on this one, I think, this one and this one, and then if they're spraying okay, your squirters are good to go. Apparently sometimes they get stuck and you want to keep doing it until they become unclogged. You might want to soak it with some brake cleaner to dissolve any oil that's gummed up in there. But mine are all working, and it was pretty simple once I worked out how to do it. This is now stuck, so probably find something better than that option, but make sure you do this before you put your engine back together, because you don't want to cook your engine and have not enough lubrication because the oil squirters weren't working. So good luck. Hope that was helpful, and hopefully it was more helpful than the posts and stuff that I saw that weren't that helpful. Cheers.